Hello everyone, in this short demo I want to share my screen and demonstrate my current coding workflow. I thought it can be very useful because I noticed many developers today are either limited to cursor, tab, autocomplete, or on the other side they are trying to overcomplicate things with CLI coding AI agents running in parallel for different tasks. So I found for myself this workflow and I want to share with you and to show that it is first of all possible to write many tasks inside of the same prompt and to receive successful results, so you don't need to parallel it into many agents. And I'll show you how to stay in control of your prompts and results, and to stay in control of your code when you're using AI tools here. Control what exactly has been changed. First step, we write our prompt here, and then in our coding editor we have this special command that I will share later, that you can use the exact same workflow as I do here. So first I have a shortcut for this, or I choose this command, and what it does will augment our prompt with actual content of files executed across different chats, and we will use this result to apply to our code. Let's take a look what is actually structure of our prompt. First of all, we put context of our code base. So we have our components folder where result of prompt augmented, it will embed all the files inside of this folder into this prompt. The same with everything else, and then we write all the tasks that we want to complete for this code base, and finally we write response format to request to receive in format for git apply. We have this git diff. We have those different hunks that we apply with our next command. So this prompt has been executed across different chats here in Grok, in Gemini, and in Cloudy, and I can visually now compare which one is the best result, the most, because sometimes one LLM is better on particular, sometimes another one is better. So here I will compare which one, and usually it's Cloudy Opus 4, but sometimes I need to combine those hunks from different chats into a single one, and once I go through it once again, I verify that it's all what I want to change in my code base, and then I execute the next command, which will apply all those. So the one nuance here, that is not possible to rely on those numbers. Let's take a closer look of what is this git diff look like. So it shows us in normal format, but those numbers, they are usually wrong. So we cannot rely on those line numbers. Instead, we have our command script that's running, going through all the context lines and figure out where exactly to execute those lines what to change in our code. So then we can see all the files that have been changed, and again, yeah, we can check once again before running and committing to commit. We can see that all those are completed, all right, and once again, it can be useful to go through the changes. So we can see here how like those multiple tasks have been completed in one prompt. We don't need to separate it into multiple agents, and we stay in our control with what exactly has been changed in our code. And we most importantly, we have ability to compare results of different LLMs and combine in different, instead of trusting for a cursor or something else to choose one result for us, we see all the variations of how this task can be completed, and we choose the best one. So this was a short demo where I'm sharing my Kyrion coding workflow. If it's useful for you, here I'll share those scripts that you can apply this workflow for yourself as well. Thank you.